if your YouTube is not growing, it's not because you are unlucky. It's not because the algorithm is not favoring you, or it's not because the algorithm is against you. People will think that the algorithm is actually against them. No, it's not. It's not because you are unlucky. It's not because the algorithm is not favoring you. No, you're actually doing something wrong that you're not. And it's not because YouTube is too competitive. You're actually making a critical mistake that most small creators, most small content creators do make. It's not because YouTube is too competitive. It's you that is actually making that mistake, that you think that YouTube is too competitive. YouTube is actually not that competitive, that you actually can't find your way. You're actually making one big and critical mistake that you are not supposed to do, quietly killing your growth. Today I'm going to show you what that mistake is and how to fix it. So stick around and watch through this video. Hi, I'm Rashidat. Here we build and we build smart. If your YouTube channel is not growing, it's not because you are unlucky. Sorry, I'm laughing. Seriously, it's not because you're unlucky. It's not because the algorithm is against you. It's not against you. You understand? It's just that you're doing something that is not right, and it's definitely not because YouTube is too competitive. It's not. You can actually find your way into the system. You understand? It's because you are making one critical mistake that almost every small YouTuber or every small creators make. You get? So very, very wrong that you're not supposed to do. It's because you are making one critical mistake that's almost every small YouTuber or every small creators trying to grow, they do make. You understand? So just sit around. Let's just make sure you watch till the end of this video, because I might be telling you all that you think, or all you think that you've known before that you don't even know. Because you see all these small creators, they actually make something that is quietly killing their growth. It's killing your growth. So it's just best to just stick around. Let's see what will happen. Today I'm going to show you exactly what that mistake is and how to fix it starting now. I am Rashidat, and here we build smart. The reason small YouTubers or small YouTube channel does not grow is very simple. They don't have a clear strategy. They post randomly. They follow trends without understanding them. They copy big creators without even structuring. There is no structure. They just copy big creators. And then they wonder why nothing is actually working. YouTube is not random. You have to know this, that YouTube is not random. YouTube is predictable. Number one, YouTube is very, very predictable. But only if you understand how it works. That is the only way you can predict YouTube. You get? And let me ask you this question. What are you doing wrong? Let's break this down. Most small creators choose a topic randomly. They choose a topic randomly, record without a clear path, upload and hope it works. As in, did you even understand that? That is not strategy. That is guesswork. We call it guessing. As you just wake up, just let me just do the extension for doing sake. And guessing does not scale. Every video you post should have a purpose. Who is this for? Or what problem am I actually solving? For instance, now I'm doing this video, am I actually solving a problem? And why should someone watch this video instead of another video? Let's be realistic. Let's start asking ourselves question. Okay, me putting out a video out there, how, as in, or if you can't answer these questions clearly, your video will struggle. You will ask yourself question, and if definitely you don't have answers to your own question, definitely you are ready that your video is going to struggle. There's no two ways about it. And the regrowth system, so what actually works? You ask yourself, what actually works? Very, very, very simple. You get, it's very, very simple. Number one is clarity, number two is structure, and number three is retention. Number one, clarity, you know exactly who you are creating for. Number two, structure, you plan your video before you record. Number three, retention, keep people watching from start to finish. You have to try. That is how YouTube decides this video is worth pushing or is not worth pushing. You have to keep people engaged, keep them watching. You get? Now let's go like this. Quick fix you can apply today. You understand? Before you start your next video, do this. Step one, pick one clear topic. Step two, create your hook first. Step three, remove long intros. You get all that first long intros, you have to remove it out. Then step 4, get to the point immediately. If you fix these things, just these things, your video will instantly improve. You get, let's say for instance you were having 7 views before. If you can fix all these things, then in your next upload you can have like 20 view, for example. Then another one is mind shift. You need to stop thinking like someone posting video and start thinking like someone building a system. You are not just posting video, you're actually building a system, because growth on YouTube is not luck. It takes structure over time. You have to learn to structure. It's only when you learn to structure you can succeed. You have to learn to structure. I'll keep on saying it. You just have to learn to structure. If you are like, if you learn to structure, you have your clarity, you are able to like have retentions over time, your channel will grow. You understand? Your channel will definitely grow. So if you're serious about growing your channel, not just uploading and hoping, you understand? Not just uploading and hoping, then this is where you belong. This is actually where you belong. So you better carry your seat and come and sit down. Because here, you get, here we don't just guess. We don't do guessing work. You understand? We don't do guessing work. We don't post randomly. Auntie and that brother, we don't post randomly. We don't do guessing work. We don't post randomly. We build with strategy. So you must learn how to build with strategy. We build with intentions. These are our intentions. So we build with intention and we build smart. You understand that English? As in when you are building smart, you have to like build smart. You get? So in here we build smart. We build with intentions. You understand? So it's high time you now hit the subscribe button. Am I not making you happy? You're too stingy. Auntie, you're looking at me because I did not wear makeup. You're actually too stingy. This is my real face. So. This is actually my real face. So stop being stingy. Just be. Fine. Let's go in as the legs dive. The first thing you actually need to do in your next upload, you understand? Just hook. If you watch video now, you see that there's one thing that you just see 30 seconds video. If you look at all these big content creators, you just see that they just post 30 seconds video. Like we watch movies, right? You just see 30 seconds video. That 30 seconds video is the intro. That is supposed to be your intro. If that is what people will say. Will be like, okay, this person is actually going to give me value for me staying here and watching your video. You understand? This person will actually give me value. Hook is very, very important. It's important that you understand what hook actually means. Hook is very, very important. Carry that best part of your video. Put it in your 30 seconds video. Make it as your hook. You understand? Before you even press record, you need clarity. You need to define your video. You need to ask yourself 3 things. Who is this video for? You understand? Number 1, you need to ask yourself, who is this video for? Then number 2, what exact problem am I solving? I kept on saying this thing. You need to ask yourself, what exact problem am I solving? Am I just creating this video for fun purpose? So you need to start asking yourself questions that you yourself can answer. Then number 3, what result will they get after watching this video? Am I making a good impact? Am I actually giving them what they really want? So you needed to ask yourself questions, because I cannot come to your channel and I will watch a video that I'm not satisfied with. Next time you won't see me. I won't even be able to sit and complete it. You understand? So we have to start telling ourselves the truth. Now let's, okay, for example, instead of you saying, I want to talk about YouTube tips, it's okay, but it's somehow, you'll be like, okay, I am helping creators fix low watch time. You understand? You people are not doing me a dime. That clarity changes everything. You are not doing YouTube tips. Who is waiting for tips? So come and, you know, data now is very, very expensive. So you have to make everything very clear. That is clarity for you. You understand? And step 2, build a simple video structure. And see, learn to build a very, very simple video structure. Most people lose viewers because they talk without structure. They lose many viewers because they talk without structure. Here is the structure you should follow. Listen. Nkechi, carry your seat and come and sit down and better listen. I'm calling you now. I talk about hook again. You get hook, grab attention immediately. Your hook will grab your viewers' attention immediately. Tell them what to do next. You understand? If your video does not follow this flow, you need to come on. If your video does not follow this flow, you don't just, as people will definitely click and leave. Give them hook. Be able to grab your viewers' retention. Let them be able to come back. Keep them there. Let them know that you actually wanted to solve a problem for them. You get? So number 3, that is step 3. You just have to fix your first 30 seconds. This is where more creators fail. Your first 30 seconds matters. You guys will be like, this lady is just talking about hook. Because it's very, very important. Your intro is too long. Stop giving us that long intro. Make your intro very, very minimum. 30 seconds. You are explaining too much before giving value. Here is what to do instead. Start with the problem. Let your video will be like, okay, I'm starting with the problem. You get? Start with the problem. Remove hi guys, welcome back. Go straight to the point. Everybody know that you are here, so there's no need of welcoming back. It's not as if you are just coming from US. You are telling us to welcome back. From where to where now? See, your first 30 seconds decide if your video will grow or dies. It decides if your video is going to grow or die. That is just the truth. You understand? You have to have a very clear mindset that your first 30 seconds is going to determine if your video is actually going to survive or it will die. Because if your first 30 seconds do not make sense, that video is going to quench. It will quench. Growth comes from connected content. Your video should link together. Your videos should link together. You understand? Let's say, for example, if your post is about why your channel is not growing, then your next video should be about how to fix your watch time. That is what we call connection video. You don't jump from one topic to another. If your video is about why your channel is not growing, then your next video should be about how to fix your watch time. That creates a journey, not a random upload. Stop being a random YouTuber upload. Let me be bombarding YouTube with my everyday video. You not carry me anywhere. Pure truth. So step 5 is as if we'll still call it a goal because this video is getting long. You have to review your data. You don't need to be a technician. You don't need to be technical. Just one thing. You just need to do one thing. You don't need to be technical. So when you are hearing about reviewing your data, don't think you have to be a technician. No. You just have to be technical. Why are people leaving your video? If most viewers drop early, your hook is weak. Uncle Buka, you hear that I'm shouting your hook is weak, ba? If your viewers is leaving very, very early, definitely your hook is weak. First, fix that. Fix that. Very, 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 very important. Small improvements here equals to big growth. If you can improve that hook, is equals to big growth. You guys can see how I started this video.